Good morning. It's a bright and sunny morning, as you can probably see. It's about 20 minutes after 8, and we're about to pull up the anchor and make our way back to Rockland. Very little wind, and we're not fooling around with it. We're just going to motor back to get there as expeditiously as possible. So it's now 20 after 8, and we are tied up at the pier at the public ramp in Rockland. So we'll go get the truck and trailer and load things up and pack things up and start off to home in about 2 hours or 3. Well, it's about 5 minutes of 9, and we have the boat on the trailer. So the full process took 35 minutes this time anyway. That's probably about average. And so now we can pack it up ready to travel. So it's now about 5 after 11. And the boat is all packed up. We're ready to start traveling. So that was about 2 hours and 10 minutes, which is, yeah, about average. You know, at least 10 minutes of that was talking to people in the parking lot here. So now it's a 5 to 5.5 hour drive home. And that's it for this sailing season.